Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you another coin, $1/4 Idaho 2007 mint mark P. I found an error at this coin. We see now. Look at the neck. I don't see any coin like this with this error. If you know this error, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching and give a like or unlike and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.